Hi, this is Mohit Tyagi. Today we will discuss how we can create the action filter, right? So if I talk about the definition of action filter, so action, so when we perform the action filter, so in that situation, the action perform some activity which will trigger some events. So let's discuss further like how we can create that. So for that we need to take two seats, right? First seat 1 and seat 2. So in seat 1 we can take some dimension like category into the column and take some dimension, sorry, measures, say we can create a bar graph. We can swap. At the same time, we can also give the labels. So we can say this can be the source. Okay. Come to the next sheet. We can say text filter destination. Sheet, right? So let's make it bold. Apply. Okay. So in this sheet, we will take the subcategory. So we will take category first and then subcategory. The column shall subcategory. Into the column cell and then trigger measures. Right. We can make it bar graph. We can swap this. We can make the labels. So for differentiating, all the subcategory. So what we can do here is we can use category into the column cell, right? So that will give the distinction between the graph. So now the context filter will perform like if I select furniture and I click on the furniture, so it will give me the information related with the furniture into the next sheet, right? So according to the action filter, if I click on the furniture, then it will take me to the here, like it will show me the details of the future subcategory, right? Okay. So for that, so to achieve this, we will perform action on filter. Like we will go to the worksheet, we will choose the action. Here we can add the action because our action comes under the filter. So we will use the filter. So in this section here, the source sheet will come, and in the target sheet, the destination sheet will come. So our source sheet is sheet 5, right? Because when we click on the sheet 5, so it will take us on to the next sheet. So the target sheet will be sheet 6. And at the same time, I'm using select and show all values, right? So just okay again. Okay, now if I select to the furniture and I'm clicking onto the furniture category, so it will take me to the next sheet where the categories information is given, right? If I come here again, if I click outside, so it will become neutral, and if I click again on the office supply, so it will give me the office supply related information, subcategory under the office supplies. So this if I select outside, so it will become normal. So now we will go again to the worksheet and go to the action, and I want to edit, so just select that particular filter and edit. So into the previous one I use the select, now I am using the hover. So instead of click on that particular category, I will just hover my cursor and then it will perform the action. Click OK. OK again. So previously I was clicking on that particular category. Now I'm just taking my cursor to the furniture. So it will perform the action, right? If I come again to my source sheet, and if I will go to the office supply, so it will give me the office supply details, right? At the same time, if I will come to the technology, so it will give me the technology detail. So that means it is performing well. So if I come again into the worksheet and come to the action and just click on the action and perform edit, instead of hover I am using menu. So we are just performing all the action which is given here. So we have performed select, we have performed hover, now we are performing menu, like how the menu action work. Okay. Now I am selecting this furniture category. When I am clicking this, so it will give me the menu like filter one, because this is the name of our filter. Right? When I click on this, then it will take me there. So this is the third way. Like instead of just clicking, we need to click first and then choose the menu, means filter one. Then it will take us to the next sheet. So this is all about action filter, and we will bring more videos regarding this actions, because this is a one kind of action. There are many kind of action remaining. So for now, this is for now. So thank you for watching my video. If you really like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. And yeah, if you really want to me help in your related concern, so just contact me on the given email ID.